Gotta get that perfect shot.
What a lovely day for a little chaos.
Snacks.
Oh my, that is hilarious. This trip is the best idea we've ever had.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, this looks amazing.
We look great.
Free samples right here. Try the famous Niagara Mist smoothie. Only $5 today.
Enjoying the falls? You look like you could use a refreshing blue smoothie. It's to die for. Free smoothies for our brave superheroes. Niagara Falls special.
Thank you, that's very kind.
Yes, so refreshing.
To friendship and a perfect day. To no villains interrupting vacation. Diana, something's... 快打电话!
Someone stop them! No!
Reroute the geothermal vents immediately.
But the pressure might compromise the main support, sir.
Just do it.
And now, the pièce de résistance. Enjoy the whirlpool, Supergirl. It's simply to die for.
Help! Help me! Somebody, please help!
Niagara Parks Police, Hulk speaking. What is emergency?
Hulk coming, N-O-O! Hulk not here to fight. Hulk here to heli.
Red Hulk used to work for bad people, helped build secret base under Niagara Falls, knows where it is. Joker has them there, in the Vortex trap. So
It's almost out of time! Help me, please!
must guard. But this feels wrong.
Eddie, listen to me. I know you're in there. You don't want her to die. Look at her. That's not who you are.
Hulk, turn off machine. No. We'll crush Bubble. Kill her instantly.
Whoa.
I'm getting you out!
Too strong. Can't fly through it.
Hold on, Kara! I'm coming! I'm coming, Kara! Just hold on! Get me out! Help me! Help me! Somebody please help!
Wait. There is one way. Someone must go into the whirlpool. The water will shred anyone.
Hulk is strongest one here.
Eddie says no. Save them all. But we swore to Joker. But Innocent's dying. We can't. We save her. Yes. Hulk has her. She's safe now. She's safe now.
You're safe. I've got you.